I gave Scout a bone and I just hear him like, and then like, hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every Wednesday, sometimes Thursday because life happens. Yeah, so stick around, click that bell button, get notified when I upload. The usual disclaimer for my channel nowadays is whatever weird background noise you hear, it's probably my dog. I just got a dog, he's adorable, he's amazing. He has social media, of course, duh. Yeah, so follow him, follow my dog. Yeah. Anyways, for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a sustainable holiday gift guide. Yeah, that's what it is. I was gonna like try to come up with another name for it, but that's what it is. I got a little tree. It lights up, it twinkles, because it's hashtag Vlogmas now, so yeah, I'm festive. Anyways, we are just going to hop right into this holiday gift guide. I'm gonna try to make this as visually stimulating as possible for you guys in editing, so let's do this. First thing I have a nice little list here to keep the noodle on track. First thing on my list for this sustainable holiday gift guide are coffee tumblers. I love coffee tumblers. They're great. You could use them for anything. I have an iced coffee like tumbler, you know, with the straw in it, or I guess any kind of iced drink. I use it for like iced tea from Starbucks and the whole thing. And I actually just got a hot coffee tumbler. I got it from Society 6 and I love it. It's so amazing. But there's so many places where you can get tumblers. You can get them pretty much anywhere, but some of my favorite places, and I'm going to list them here. Also, side note, I am going to list everything I can that I am talking about down below, whether it's specific items or just like websites all around that you guys can browse and look at specific things yourself. I'm gonna list them all down below. So obviously you can get tumblers from Starbucks. Like I said, I got my iced beverage one from Starbucks and I love it. It's amazing. It's aluminum, you know, you just reuse it a million times. It's great. And then I got my hot one from Society 6. So aside from like Starbucks, Walmart, Target, you know, you can get tumblers and those things anywhere nowadays, you know. But some really great places to get them, one of which is 4Ocean. If you guys haven't heard of 4Ocean, they are a company that pulls plastic out of the ocean, and it's great. And they fund their company by selling these bracelets made out of those plastics that they recycle and pull out of the ocean. And so on their website, they have all kinds of other things besides the bracelets. If like bracelets aren't your thing, but you still want to like donate to the cause, they do have tumblers and they're great. They're actually Yeti tumblers. So you know that like Yeti is like high quality. And every purchase on their website pulls 10 pounds of trash out of the ocean. It's such a great cause. And so you know that when you're making that purchase to live more sustainably, you're already like putting your money towards the cause. So I'd recommend getting one from there if you're gonna get one. Other good websites are like Educated Earthling. I'm gonna mention more as we go along, but like Plastic Freedom, there's Package Free Shop, The Little Market. There's so many sustainable online stores nowadays that like go towards something, or the products are made more sustainable. So it might be a little bit more expensive, but I think it's so much more worth it to put your money towards that than like some cheap thing off Amazon or something, you know what I mean? So then right from there, I was also just going to talk about 4Ocean in general and all the other things they have on their website. Like I said, they have tumblers, they have the bracelets. If you know someone who really loves bracelets, they like stacking bracelets, these are great. They're so cute. I really love them. They come in all different like colors, and the colors mean different things. This is like their staple blue one. It's just their original like ocean cause one. They have them for the turtles, they have them for sharks, they have a color for every ocean wildlife cause that is in danger and need help. 4Ocean is great Great place to get a little holiday gift for the tree hugger in your life. Plastic Freedom is another great website. Every purchase from their website, they'll plant a tree for. So they have all kinds of stuff. Let's pull it up. So they have like Christmas decorations, they have candles, they have straws, they have razors, they have like a manicure set, they have a kids gift set. They have so many items on their website that could be great gifts. It could be like great stocking stuffers. There's so many things. And yes, every purchase they will plant a tree for. Another great item are cute little sustainable totes that you could use for grocery shopping as like a book bag. Totes are just really great because they're just all around. They just have like so many purposes. So if you know someone who would really like a cute tote, I know Etsy, you could support small businesses and get some cute totes off of Etsy, you know. All of the websites that I've been mentioning, they also make totes like grocery bags and all that stuff too. So those are always good things. Also with a tote, you could use it as the gift wrapping. The holidays are great, but they just produce a lot of waste. Wrapping paper is not recyclable. So totes are a great little like gift and wrapping all in one. So you could like wrap your gift with the tote and then it's like double the gift. You can get like sustainable wrapping paper online as well. I'll try to find a website. I don't know one off the top of my head, but I'll link what I can find down below. You could use newspaper. You could use paper bags from the grocery store, you know, cut them up, tape it all together. You can get real creative. This is your chance to get creative this holiday season. Another good online store to get some sustainable gifts is the Little Market. You could actually shop by cause on the website, so they support like a wide variety of causes, and you can shop and support like as you go. So it could be a good option, you know, if you needed to get a gift for someone, you don't really know what specifically to get them, maybe you just go to the Little Market. Oh my gosh, that sounds so cute. How clever. But you just go to the Little Market, shop by cause, you know, if you know that your friend or family member is like passionate about something, maybe that puts a lot more meaning behind the gift. And another great online store is the Package Free Shop. They have zero waste kits. So if you know of someone who like really wants to get started in like a sustainable lifestyle, but they like just need the zero waste items, help them out a little bit and get them a zero waste kit. Yeah, that's like just like a great little gift. And they also have all kinds of bath products. I actually want to place an order because they have reusable cotton swabs. Like, how amazing. It's just a little rubber cotton swab, you know, use in your ears, or like they have ones for like makeup and everything, you know, and you just like wash it and reuse it. It's great. It's like made out of rubber. It's like so awesome. And they also have things like razors, you know, maybe for your man in your life, or you just want to be more sustainable with your razors. Razors are not recyclable, so they're super wasteful. Also toothbrushes, super wasteful. They have all kinds of like bath products. You could also, if one of your friends or family that you're shopping for loves plants, get them a plant. That's an amazing gift, you know? It's a little piece of life. And saving the best for last is clothes. But a couple of my favorite online stores that are sustainable are Reformation. Reformation is great. It is a little expensive. I'm pretty sure they might have like online gift cards or something. So if you can't like buy like one single item for someone, maybe just get them a gift card, you know? Give them a little money to put towards them getting a sustainable piece of clothing. And another one of my new favorite online stores is Holla, a UK fitness YouTuber, Grace Fit UK. She goes by Grace Beverly now, but she is the CEO of this company and I love everything she stands for. I love her, huge girl crush. Love you. I have a lot of her Holla pieces already because I'm so obsessed, but they're awesome, sustainable fitness and lifestyle clothing. It's made out of recycled water bottles, made out of upcycled fabric, like, you know, like offcuts from fabric. It's all like made out of recycled fabric and everything. And they really stand for a lot of amazing things in the fashion industry, like their ethics, you know, making sure everyone is being paid fair wages, being treated fairly, all the people who are making their clothes and everything, so like no sweatshops or anything. They just have a lot of amazing ethics around the company, and so I love supporting it. The clothing is also amazing. I love it. I actually need to buy more because I love it so much. And it's very, very, very fairly priced. She also mentions a lot that she really fights to get the most affordable prices without, like, you know, like losing money as a company. Like, you can't lose money. You gotta make money as a company, you know. And the last thing I wanted to touch on for this little gift guide is just shopping vintage or thrift shopping. You know, if you're really, really good at thrift shopping, do it on your own. I'm not really good at thrift shopping, so I like to support people who like thrift for me, and then I buy the thrifted items from them. You know, it's all reduce, reuse, recycle. So I love it. But vintage clothes are super in right now. Actually, I'm wearing a hand-me-down from my dad, and I love this shirt so much. But vintage shopping is super, super in right now. I'm sure it'll stay in, especially with like just the sustainability of it and everything. So if you have a fashion lover in your life and you need to get them some really cool clothes, any fashion lover will appreciate some like cool vintage finds. So that's an awesome gift idea. It's also super personal because it's like unique. It's a little bit more like, whatever that means. Yeah. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave everything that I can linked down below, and maybe even some more things that I find, so you just have like one-stop shop to find all the sustainable items that you need to get people or yourself, you know, treat yourself.